Hi guys, welcome back to Bite Size Excel. In this short video, we're going to look at the text function in Excel. Now the text function is a function that's used to convert numbers to text within your spreadsheet. It can be quite useful when you want to display numbers in a particular format. So in this first example, we have a date. Now what we want to do is we want this date to show as simply month and year. So we can use the text function to do this. What we do is we type equals text. Now the first part of your function is the value that you want to convert. So that's cell A2 in this example. We then put a comma in, and this is where you want to put the format of your text. So to do this, we open our inverted commas. We want to display it as month and then year. And then we close our inverted commas. And when you press enter, you'll see that your format is your month with the first three letters of the month and then 2020 as the full year. Now, if you want your month to display in full, what we need to do is put in an extra M and say we only want the last two digits of our year. We can take out two of the Y's, and if we hit enter, you'll see you have the full month and the year in just a two-digit format. We can also add those back in. If we just put one M in, you'll simply get the number of the month. And if you wanted to also, for example, display the date, we will put day, and you'll get your format. If you were to change these to forward slashes, that would then appear in your text. So depending on what format you want, you'd have a play around in here. The DD is always your days, the M's are always your month, and the Y's are always your year. Text is also useful where you want to combine a particular number and in a particular format with some text. So in this instance, we wanted to display as annual salary, colon, and then we want our salary in as a currency format with your pound symbol. Now, currently I have equals and then in my inverted commas, annual salary. If I were to use my ampersand and just simply add on the £25,000 here, you can see that it just converts it back to a normal number. So you can use the text function to fix this. So we again type in text. We've already got our A3 number in there. And what we want it in as pounds. And close our brackets. You'll see in this instance, it hasn't formatted with the comma because we haven't told it to. So what you can do is you can go back up here and we can put in our comma and another 3 zeros, and then that will format in the correct manner. In a similar way, in this example, we have the final score and we want to add in that it's 75%. Put in our ampersand. If we were to just select the number, it would convert it back to a number format, so it will be 0.75. This isn't what we want. So what we'll do is we'll go back and use the text function to fix it. So text, and we want it in as a 0%. And when we close our brackets and hit enter, you'll see now it's in as 75%. In the final example here, we want to put our date in. Again, if we just select the cell without the text function, you will see that it will convert your date back into a number and you'll get this strange result. So again, similar to in the first example, we put in text and then we want our date format. So say we want day, month, and then our full year. Close our brackets. And there you've got it in the correct format. And similar to in the first example, you can have a play around with how you want this to display. So that's a really quick introduction to the text function. Hope that you found it useful and have learned something new. If you've got any specific videos you'd like to see in future, please do leave me a comment. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.